The Last Illusion. In the heart of a bustling metropolis, where the skyline kissed the heavens and ambition thrived, there lay a small, unassuming office. It belonged to Elara, a once celebrated architect whose designs had once shaped the cityscape. Years had passed since her last project, and the world had moved on, leaving her in the shadows of her own creations. Each day she arrived at her desk, surrounded by sketches that whispered of dreams long abandoned. Clients had vanished, replaced by a relentless tide of younger, bolder talent. Yet, Elara clung to her work, believing that the next idea would rekindle her spark. One rainy afternoon, as the city shimmered with the glow of streetlights, a young intern named Malik entered her office. With an infectious enthusiasm, he presented an innovative concept for a community center, weaving together sustainability with artistic expression. Elara's heart raced. It mirrored her own fervor from years past. Encouraged by Malik's vision, Elara tentatively shared her own sketches, once relegated to the dustbin of her mind. Together, they molded a project that transcended mere architecture. It became a beacon of hope for the community, a sanctuary for creativity and connection. As the sun set on their first day of collaboration, Elara realized that work was not merely about success or accolades. It was about passion, collaboration, and the courage to dream anew. In that small office, surrounded by the echoes of her past, she felt the flicker of inspiration reignite. The illusion of her obsolescence shattered, revealing a path forward, hand in hand with the next generation.